Hey guys, it's Christina. I'm back with a fun fall tutorial. Super easy. Anyone can do it. These are Dollar Tree signs that I found at the Dollar Tree, of course. And I just want to show you guys what it is that I decided to do with them. I love this time of year, and I have a big pumpkin collection, and I just wanted to add some more to my decor, which I shouldn't be, but whatever. So these signs come on a stand. As much as you can, please try to save that stand. Some are really easy to peel off and some aren't. Try to make sure that you don't break it, but if not, it's okay. I just want to show you at the end what it was that I did with the stand. Make sure that you save the raffia bows that come on there as well. Don't worry about the base. Don't worry about, I'm sorry, not the base, but that part on top there. Don't worry about it. We're not going to use it. It's going to be backwards, so it's going to be in the back. Make sure that you save, again, the raffia bow, the leaf that came on there, and that piece of twine. Save it as well. Don't worry about the holes that are showing because they're not going to show once we're finished. So then at this point, you're going to take however you'd like your pumpkin to look, because you can use scrapbook paper, you can use magazine sheets, you can use newspaper, however you'd like it to look. You're going to trace each pumpkin size, and you're going to, now see, look at, I wasn't perfect at cutting it, but I like that. I like that the edges show, so you don't have to be perfect. You can totally make it your own, and it doesn't, like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. So I chose that scrapbook paper there. And then for the stem, they had these leaves in store, and I just like the fact that they were burlap. I was going to try to make a garland with lights, but I saw potential in creating the stem through that, so I went ahead and did that. Now you can either use the twine that we cut off, you can use burlap, you can use those leaves, you can use whatever you want for the stem. It doesn't really matter. So this is what I have. This is what I came up with. It's just, again, decoupage glue, the paper on top, let it dry, and now you're going to add all the little accent pieces that just make the pumpkin come alive. And this is actually my favorite part, just to kind of play with it and see what looks good on it. And I just keep adding stuff because that's just me. That's what I like. I took some leaves off of some greenery that I had bought at the Dollar Tree as well, and I added those on. And see how that stand worked out? So it goes back in and it stands just right. And then what I did was I just glued it and put some foam tape so that they stood together. And this is what I got. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. It's super easy. And you could totally do this with your daughter, with your kids, with your son, whoever, with family or with friends. Have fun and create your own little pumpkin collection. And I just wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers and all the new subscribers who have subscribed. It's pretty neat to see and wake up every morning to that number just climbing and climbing. To think that my little one and I started the channel for fun, and to see how much it's grown subscriber-wise is just pretty awesome. So thanks for subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And then if you haven't followed me on Instagram, follow me at lemon_avenue_life. And yeah, so thanks guys. Bye. Have a great week.